Hello, my name is Chris Bird and I'm a certified CRS-RRC instructor, and I'd like to tell you about a course I'm going to be doing in Rockville, Maryland for the Maryland District of Columbia CRS chapters, RRC chapters. I'm going to be doing this at the Greater Capital Association of Realtors location in Rockville, Maryland, and it's a course called Tax Strategies for the Real Estate Professional. And I co-wrote this course with an attorney by the name of Dale Carlton, and it's a wonderful 8-hour course really expanding on how the Tax Act of 2017 impacts the business of real estate as well as other self-employed individuals as well. So I'm going to take you through this course, and I'm going to teach you how this new tax law basically is really making people look at what they have in a home in terms of mortgage interest and real estate tax write-offs, because this new law limits the state income tax and real estate tax to a total of $10,000. And before, in 2017 and earlier, the limit on those deductions was really unlimited. In addition, you're going to find that the home mortgage interest deduction has been somewhat changed by this new law. And the higher the value of real estate is, the larger the mortgages, and the more your clients, and very well you, may be impacted by this new law. Now, in addition to that, there have been many good changes to depreciation for residential property investors as well as commercial property investors, and I want to take you through that. But especially important is this new 20% qualified business income deduction, which a lot of you may have heard about in various seminars that I've done and other speakers have done. But accountants were really not familiar with this deduction when they did your 2018 return. And I'm sure they computed it, but they may have not explained it to you so that you understand just how significant it is. So I'm going to take you through that deduction. In addition, we're going to talk about the new higher amounts of deduction for vehicles driven for business. Whether you drive a car, whether you drive the heavy SUV that you've heard me talk about at your association in the past, or whether you drive a pickup truck, I'm going to talk about how these deductions are literally out of sight if you want to buy these vehicles and claim those deductions. We'll also talk about the advantages and disadvantages of leasing vehicles as opposed to owning the vehicle. So, many of you have heard me in the past, and I really look forward to seeing you on Thursday, January 30th in Maryland, in Rockville. And I guarantee you that the time you spend will be well worth it in terms of tax savings when you file your returns for 2019. See you on January 30th. Thanks.